What is going on, everybody? So I stumbled upon this again. So I was going through my Rolodex and reading books. So this is a book by Jay Abraham. It's Getting Everything You Can Out of Everything You've Got. This is one of the books that broke down so many false beliefs for myself around money and business and everything. So I was going back over this, and he talks about the 3 ways to grow your business. And so I got this from Jay Abraham. So go grab this book. But I want to talk to you about this really quick. So there's 3 ways to do this, right? So we can either acquire more customers, right? So we can get more customers in the door. So how we do that is either we buy ads or buy leads or buy lists, right? Or we can work our way in, right? Through content marketing, through creating more content, creating more value, helping people. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to work my way in. I'm trying to get this organic traffic to acquire more customers for my business. Okay, I want to break this down super simple. And then so ascend customers, right? So your value ladder. So if you don't know what a value ladder is, it is basically you ascending people up, right? So let me do this. So think of it like a ladder. Okay, so you've got your free ticket down here, and then you're pushing people to your higher price product. Okay, so that's ascending people up, right? So that's your value ladder. So then the third step is we need to increase the frequency of our services or our product, right? So we need to figure out how we can get our customers to keep repeat buying, right? So we need to boost the LTV of our customers, right? So we need to get them to increase the frequency of the amount of times that they buy our product or service. Hey, I just want to clarify this really quick. So when you think of sending people up your value ladder, right? So you're taking them on a journey. Okay, so they get your free ticket or your low ticket items, and then you're ascending them up, right? So you're helping them solve the next problem, okay? And then it goes higher and higher, right? So the more value you provide, the more the cost is going to be going, right? So when you think of increasing the frequency, right? So think of like a subscription business or whatever it is, right? So you could sell more of the same or whatnot. But think of like cross sells, down sells, stuff like that. So we need to think of different ways that we can increase the amount of times people will buy from us over and over again. Okay. So I just wanted to make a quick clarification on that. Hey, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to go grab this book from Amazon. So this is Jay Abraham's Getting Everything You Can Out of Everything You've Got. So this goes over just so many different high-level things about boosting lifetime value and just so many different strategies that I think anyone that has a business or has the aspirations to be an entrepreneur will help you out. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the Jarvis.ai Intensified workshop that teaches you how to make an extra $100 to $500 a month using Jarvis.ai. The software is a AI copywriting software that is basically your copywriting assistant, okay? I think this could help anyone. It doesn't matter if you're a content creator, agency, freelancer, whatever. It doesn't matter what industry you're in. I think Jarvis will help you. So go check that out, and I'll see you in the next video.